Hi! Did you know that the respiratory system is very important to discuss and the function and parts of the system? I am Jillian Claire Simulaubang, a grade 9 middle student, and I am here to help you. For today's lesson, we are going to tackle about the respiratory system. The human respiratory system is composed of the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. The nose and mouth is also known as nasal cavity. The nose is what we normally use to inhale, or inspiration, and exhale, or expiration. It has two holes called nostrils, where the air passes. The skin lining in both nostrils is embedded with tiny hairs called cilia, which act like a filter to catch up dust and small particles in the air we breathe. The mouth is what we use to breathe when we need more air than what can be taken in through the nostrils, as when we pant or puff when we are exhausted. The pharynx is the opening just behind nose and mouth, and it's part of both respiratory and digestive system. The pharynx ends in the esophagus and the larynx. The larynx is also known as voice box because it houses the vocal cords and the different muscles in producing sound. The epiglottis, a cartilage found at the top of the larynx, aids in closing it tightly to prevent the passage of food or liquids. The trachea, also known as windpipe, is a tube through which respiratory gas transport takes place. It is lined with ciliated cells to push the particles out, and cartilage rings to guard it against the pressure when breathing. The end of trachea is split into two tubes called bronchi, which also have thin-walled branches called bronchioles. These bronchioles lead to air sacs called alveoli, where the most of the gas exchange happens. The lungs are the most essential organ for respiration. They consist of a cluster of blood vessels, bronchioles, alveoli, and elastic tissue. Fun fact! Do you know that the size of your fist is the same size as your heart? Once again, I am Jillian Claire Simulaubang from grade 9 Mindelive. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned something, especially about the respiratory system. That's all. Thank you, and God bless.